Already filed your federal return elsewhere but still need to file your state? If you're trying to figure out how to file just your state return in TurboTax, you're not alone. Today, we're navigating the state-only filing process. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. TurboTax is designed to prepare federal and state returns together, but it is possible to use it for a state-only return if you've already filed your federal return with another service. The workaround: start a federal return. You will likely need to start a federal return in TurboTax to access the state module. Go through the federal interview just enough to enter all your income and personal information. Then, when prompted to file the federal return, indicate that you've already filed it. The key step: look for the state-only option. After you indicate your federal return is already filed, TurboTax should offer you a state-only filing option, often at a reduced price. This will allow you to prepare and e-file just your state return. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: have your completed federal return handy. To accurately prepare your state return, you'll need all the numbers from your finalized federal return, especially your adjusted gross income, AGI. Your state return often starts with these federal numbers. So, just like that, you can complete your state tax filing even if you use different software for federal. A little know-how goes a long way in flexible tax preparation. Now I'm curious, what made you file your federal and state returns with different software? Price? Complexity? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.